I've been dealing with issues of race and discrimination for over 40 years. I've facilitated in almost 40 different states in the United States.
Says the school worker used the N-word and told the girl she might get shot if she went to the wrong part of the town.
Is considering changes to its discipline policy after numbers show Black, Hispanic, and students with disabilities are punished more often and more severely than other students.
Having gone through Gwinnett parent leadership twice, what motivated you, one, to come the first time, but two, to come a second time? What was so important about it?
So through Gwinnett SToPP, I was connected and plugged in, or Gwinnett SToPP was connected and plugged in with a lot of different other agencies. And so that information that we as parents, because I'm also a parent of 3 students that came through Gwinnett County.
Initially, I felt so helpless, but I researched endlessly. I mean, I went to all kinds of conferences, joined committees, boards. I felt like knowledge was power.
So it doesn't matter. We can have high-achieving young men, gifted athletes, and it only takes one encounter with the system, and they can find themselves in that pipeline, and that's a slippery slope to find yourself in. So
that, oh, guess what? You can send an open records request asking how many kids, kindergartners in Gwinnett, have been handcuffed. And that's when I got the courage to ask those questions. But I thought there was no politician that ever stood up, not one politician that ever stood up in Gwinnett to support our group.
But I want people to be empowered to tell your story, be empowered to push back, be empowered to be you, and let your child be, right? Remind them that they're children. Help other parents understand that they have children, not little adults. I want the community to take the movement and move it.
I hope we all understand that change often is built like a pyramid. There's a foundation at the bottom and then it gets smaller as it goes up to the point, to the top, where usually the leadership leaders. But without that foundation, parents like you, we have no change.
but I want to encourage you to have those conversations and find out who's going to pick up the torch. And don't let it sunset. Don't let the light go out. Don't let Gwinnett SToPP be a legacy.
Investigators digging into cases of children as young as 6 years old being handcuffed in school.